The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator. It features Twin Cooling Plus system, convertible 5-in-1, Power Cool and Freeze, and Cool Pack. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand at the touch of a button. Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. There is a cool pack in the freezer to delay the rise in temperature during power cuts. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator.
Cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-drawer refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.
The Cy Series is a premium fridge featuring one of the largest internal capacities for any French door of its size. It has a stylish and sophisticated glass finish that is easy to clean and maintain, and is available in 3 colours to suit any modern home. Fruit and vegetables start losing valuable nutrition from the moment they are harvested. And Panasonic's Fresh Safe vegetable case helps extend the life of fresh produce. This drawer is sealed from the direct chill of the fridge and locks in up to 90% humidity, keeping fruit and vegetables fresher for longer. It also features an intelligent surround airflow system. Chilled air moves from the rear panel upwards and to the sides to surround food items, rather than using direct cold air, avoiding dehydration in food. The switchable chilled case is ideal to store and chill food items like dairy and meat at approximately 0 degrees Celsius. You can also select the Prime Fresh option to softly freeze fresh meat and seafood at approximately -3 degrees Celsius. Now, since food is only lightly frozen, it extends the life of perishable foods whilst maintaining nutrients, flavour and texture. Odours are also minimised, making it ideal for storing seafood. Prime Fresh also offers food preparation convenience, as it's easy to slice and cook it immediately. Selecting your optimum fridge settings is made convenient with a stylish external control panel. And a bottom mount freezer makes it easy to access items, and the removable freezer tub makes cleaning a breeze.
Panasonic.
Knock twice, see inside. The new LG Multi-Door InstaView.
Hello, my name is Beaumont Boyd, Refrigeration Learning Manager for GE Appliances. We have some incredible innovations coming out of our Manufacturing Center of Excellence in Louisville, Kentucky, and today I'm here to tell you about one. Our French door refrigerators are full of ingenious ideas that are perfectly in sync with today's daily routines. I'd like to introduce to you our GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill, available in both stainless steel and our versatile slate finish. Hands-free autofill is an example of multitasking at its finest. Today, people are busier than ever before and appreciate things that help them effortlessly manage their day. Now, let's see how it works. Just place any container on the dispenser tray, press the autofill button, and walk away. Our hands-free autofill uses ultrasonic technology to detect the size of your glass, pot, pan, or any other item that you can fill up with water, and fill your glass up to 90% full every single time. Hands-free autofill is taking multitasking and convenience to the next level. In tandem with hands-free autofill, our advanced water filtration removes 98% of trace pharmaceuticals from water and ice and can lead to better quality water that can enhance your beverages and meal preparations. Now that we've told you about this incredible advanced dispenser, let's take a look inside. With options like a quick space shelf, gallon door bins, a drop-down shelf, and adjustable shelving, you can organize your way. Also, check out the full-width electronic temperature-controlled deli drawer with LED lighting. There are 3 accurate settings to deliver the optimal temperature for your favorite foods, while colored lights indicate the chosen setting. Twin chill evaporators keep fresh and frozen foods at their very best. The fresh food and freezer sections are calibrated to give different ingredients the perfect environment to keep foods fresh longer. 2 separate climates in the fresh food and freezer section help prevent odor transfer and freezer burn so food is fresh and lasts longer. Also, a generous amount of ice for entertaining or maximizing freezer storage can also be on a consumer's wish list. With the new IM5D additional ice maker option, consumers get the option of adding more ice production or having more storage flexibility. Made in America, this Energy Star GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill is loaded with innovation that will simplify daily life at home. Its beautiful design perfectly complements all of our GE Profile Series products and is designed to reflect the modern approach to style. Hands-free autofill is just another example of GE Appliances bringing you the most advanced refrigerator dispensers in the appliance industry. For more information, please visit geappliances.com.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.